Somewhere in the universe, light begins its journey. It is born in the hearts of stars, flaring from the collapse of massive clouds and escaping the fiery cores of galaxies. It travels across emptiness over millions and billions of years, carrying with it secrets of time, space, and creation. Every photon is a message, coded in color, wavelength, and intensity, waiting to be deciphered. Most of this light is invisible. It has been stretched by the expansion of the universe, cooled by cosmic distances, and obscured by clouds of dust. To perceive it requires more than human eyes. It requires a telescope built to listen to the faintest whispers of the cosmos. The James Webb Space Telescope exists for this purpose. It is not merely a machine. It is humanity's eye into the distant past. Suspended far from Earth, in a region of calm cosmic darkness, it waits patiently. Its mission is to capture light that has traveled billions of years, light that tells the story of galaxies, stars, and planets, and light that may reveal the origins of life itself. Every design choice, every material, every alignment is a testament to the ambition of discovery. At the heart of the telescope is its mirror. Unlike any mirror built before, it is composed of 18 hexagonal segments, each coated in a thin layer of gold. The gold is not decoration. It reflects infrared light with remarkable efficiency. The mirror spans 6.5 meters, more than twice the width of Hubble's, allowing it to collect more light from distant, faint objects than any telescope in history. Each segment is adjustable, controlled by motors capable of movements smaller than the width of a human hair. Together, the segments act as one seamless mirror, capable of focusing light from billions of light years away with perfect precision. Infrared light is the telescope's language. It is the warmth of distant stars, the heat of newly forming planets, and the faint glow of galaxies stretching back to the early universe. Human eyes cannot see it, but infrared light carries information that is essential for understanding the cosmos. It pierces through dust clouds, revealing star nurseries where visible light is obscured. It stretches across time, letting us see objects as they were billions of years ago. JWST does not chase the light we see. It listens to the light we cannot. Observing infrared light requires extreme cold. Even the smallest heat from the telescope itself could overwhelm the faint signals it seeks. To achieve this, JWST carries a sunshield the size of a tennis court. 5 layers of ultra-thin, reflective material block heat from the sun, earth, and moon. Each layer radiates residual heat into space, cooling the telescope to temperatures below -233 degrees Celsius. This frozen stillness allows JWST to detect light that has traveled across the cosmos for billions of years, photons that would be lost in warmth or noise on a less precise instrument. Its location is critical. JWST does not orbit Earth. Instead, it hovers at the second Lagrange point, L2, nearly 1.5 million kilometers away. Here, the gravitational pull of the Sun and Earth balance perfectly, allowing the telescope to remain stable while orbiting the Sun alongside Earth. It enjoys a permanent, unobstructed view of the universe, free from atmospheric distortion, light pollution, and terrestrial interference. In this silent darkness, the telescope floats, patient, listening. The telescope's instruments transform light into knowledge. The mirrors focus the light onto sophisticated detectors that capture images and spectra. Cameras like NIRCam reveal the shapes and colors of distant galaxies and star-forming regions. Spectrographs like NIR spec break the light into its component wavelengths, revealing chemical fingerprints and temperatures of stars, planets, and interstellar matter. MIRI, the mid-infrared instrument, captures the faintest, coldest signals, observing dust, ice, and the most distant objects in the universe. Every photon collected is a data point, a piece of the cosmic puzzle. JWST looks back in time. Because light travels at a finite speed, observing distant galaxies is equivalent to seeing them as they were billions of years ago. JWST's infrared vision allows it to observe the first galaxies forming after the Big Bang, the first stars igniting, and the evolution of cosmic structures over billions of years. It is a window into the universe's infancy, a telescope capable of seeing beginnings that no human eye has ever witnessed. Closer to home, JWST examines exoplanets. Many of these distant worlds orbit stars thousands of light years away. Using a coronagraph, JWST blocks starlight to reveal faint planetary signals. It can measure the composition of their atmospheres, detecting molecules such as water vapor, carbon dioxide, and methane. It studies clouds, storms, and seasonal variations. Some of these planets may be capable of hosting life. Others challenge our assumptions about planetary formation. Every observation expands humanity's understanding of worlds beyond our own. The telescope's deployment was a marvel of engineering and patience. It launched folded inside the Ariane 5 rocket. Over the course of nearly a month, it traveled to L2, gradually unfolding like origami in space. Its mirrors extended, its sun shield separated layer by layer, and its instruments cooled to operational temperatures. Engineers on Earth monitored every stage, waiting for perfection, knowing that a single error could compromise decades of planning. When the deployment was complete, the telescope became fully operational, ready to observe the universe in unprecedented detail. JWST's power is patience. It does not chase bright explosions or sudden flares. It waits for the faintest light, sometimes requiring hours or even days of exposure to gather enough photons to reveal distant galaxies. Each observation is carefully planned, each photon analyzed, to extract maximum information about the universe. Through patience, the telescope reads the stories written across the cosmos. The telescope's discoveries are already reshaping our understanding of the universe. It has captured galaxies forming earlier than previously imagined, observed star clusters hidden behind dense dust clouds, and analyzed atmospheres of exoplanets with precision never before achieved. It has observed the chemistry of planetary systems and revealed the processes that govern star formation, galactic evolution, and cosmic structure. JWST does not merely see the universe, it interprets it. Its instruments work in harmony. NIRCam provides high-resolution imaging, revealing the structure of galaxies and the distribution of stars. NIR spec analyzes the composition of matter, providing spectra that identify the elements present in distant objects. MIRI detects faint, cold light from dust and distant galaxies, showing us the earliest stages of cosmic evolution. Together, these instruments form a symphony of observation, translating invisible light into knowledge that humanity can understand. The telescope also studies our own solar system. It observes planets, moons, asteroids, and distant icy bodies in exquisite detail. Infrared observations reveal heat patterns, chemical composition, and surface features invisible to other telescopes. JWST captures the dynamics of planetary atmospheres, the formation of rings, and the behavior of cometary bodies traveling from the outer reaches of the solar system. Even close to home, it uncovers secrets that were previously hidden. JWST does not simply observe the universe, it redefines our perspective. It reveals the earliest galaxies, shows the processes shaping planets, and allows us to study exoplanets in unprecedented detail. It teaches us that the universe is older, larger, and more complex than we ever imagined. It allows humanity to explore cosmic history, to see beginnings, evolution, and processes that span billions of years. It does not just provide images, it provides understanding. Somewhere, a star ignites within a dense cloud of dust. Somewhere else, a galaxy collides, merging billions of stars into a new structure. Somewhere far away, a planet orbits a distant sun, its atmosphere slowly evolving. The James Webb Space Telescope watches all of it, silently capturing photons that have traveled billions of years. Each observation tells a story, each image uncovers secrets, and each spectrum reveals the chemistry of the universe. It is humanity's eye on the cosmos,